What's shaking? Thanks for swinging on by the Crazy Urban Canuck channel. We'd like to show you how we do things here in the Great White North of Canada. Today, I have a little bit of a SAAB story. I think I can actually hear the eye rolls through the camera here. Anyways, got an early 2000s SAAB 9.3 with a little bit of an exhaust noise. So we're going to climb under there and see what's going on.
Some exhaust noise under here. There's your problem. There's the clamp. It's supposed to be holding the pipes together. It's way back there and rotted off.
Alright, so I ordered up the parts the first time I had the car here. And I'm not a sponsor of any of the suppliers, but that's the part number from FCP Euro. That's where I get all of my Euro stuff. So that's the exhaust clamp that I originally deduced that it's going to need. Comes with a nut and a bolt for each side. And then you'll see how that goes on later. Alright, first off I'm going to clean up the mating surface here that goes into this collar just to make sure we get a nice solid seal once I get the clamp all squished on there. Well, grab the new clamp, slip it on there. Basically just have to make sure that you get the outer parts of this on the outside of the curved part. Kind of hard to describe, but what you're looking for is that when you tighten these bolts down, it'll do its job and squeeze these two pipes together. Makes the seal not that kind of seal. Alright, so as I zap these in, you should see the pipes come together. Alright, let's get it from here. Let's see how we did. So, I can see now that I'm out from under the car a little bit, that I put this on a little crooked. So I'll definitely straighten that out. But it's not leaking here. However, now that everything's connected, I can see that it's leaking right here. Certainly feel it coming out. You can see the rot, but I don't see or hear any other leaks other than that. So maybe I'll just weld that up a little bit and we shall be good to go. Okay, so we got the go ahead to weld up the hole in the exhaust. So that'll make a cool video. I made a little bracket. Not a bracket, just a ring of metal. Just bent it out of a piece of leftover rocker panel that I had kicking around. So I'm gonna put that around the hole. See it a little bit here. weld it around each end and down the seam, and it'll make a nice strong patch instead of just trying to fill the hole with weld. You know, that will work too, but this will be a lot stronger, and also it's right at the connection to the flex pipe. Just a total, you know, temporary fix. I wouldn't count on this lasting any longer than a year or so, but you know, she just needs a car to get finished up through college, and after that, I don't know. Get at her. Next, I just need to clean up the areas where the welds are going to go. So I'll use my favorite new tool to do that. So now I made up a clamp to hold this ring that I made up in place. It sounded like I might have blown through a little on top, so I want to see if I did or not. Can you see? Because I can't. That's a little better.